Ready?
Go right here.
Come on, let's see. What do you press? You press to hit the middle button. No, wait, you get it on. There. What, hit the middle?
Hold on, what do I look like?
Hey,
Hey, it's a red light, go!
Let me see what.
Go!
No, hold on.
I'm playing it.
I don't want to do it alone. Let's come out there with me.
Let's go around, come back and
Dude, look at you. Go, Elijah.
Turn around and when the bass start fading in the waist,
Let's go.
I got no way, baby. She like we doing, I ain't got much to do.
Come on.
Alright, start from now. Second one.